The adaptive roller mill, or ARM, is designed for precise milling applications.
It pulverizes materials into fine, consistent particles, making it perfect for universities, research labs, and companies with testing needs. This mill combines performance with affordability. Please note that using jars of different sizes simultaneously is for demonstration purposes only, and is not typically done in practice. Here are some of the ARM's features. Customizable jar holders that accommodate a variety of sizes to suit diverse testing needs. Adjustable roller speeds for precise control over your milling process. A compact and robust design that saves space while delivering exceptional performance. The ARM is expandable and stackable, allowing it to grow with your needs. The adaptive roller mill is designed for ease of use, making setup quick and intuitive. Simply select the appropriate jars for your material and secure them in the universal holders. Using the digital control panel, you can fine-tune your settings to match your specific requirements. With its user-friendly interface, even first-time operators can achieve consistent, high-quality results. During operation, the ARM ensures smooth and reliable performance. The adjustable speed control enables precise tuning of particle size reduction, making it an invaluable tool for a wide range of applications, from pharmaceuticals to materials research. Whether you're testing, developing, or refining materials, the ARM delivers results you can trust. So who is the ARM perfect for? Universities and research labs will find it indispensable for advanced studies and experiments. Pharmaceutical companies can rely on it for precise formulation development. Material testing facilities will benefit from its consistent performance and versatility. The adaptive roller mill is the ultimate tool for professionals seeking reliable and precise milling solutions. Built to last, the ARM features high-quality materials and a robust design to withstand repeated use. Maintenance is straightforward with a comprehensive service manual that provides guidance for long-term upkeep and servicing. This durability ensures that the ARM remains a valuable asset in your lab for years to come. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the adaptive roller mill. It's more than just a piece of equipment. It's a partner in innovation. To learn more or request a quote, visit orbismachinery.com today.